Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you your tarot reading for the month of September 2020. This is going to be for Taurus, the Vrishabh Rashi, and this is your general reading for the month of September. I see the star card coming for you. Okay, the star card tells me that you are going towards your destiny in the month of September, and I also see the card of balance, which means that you're looking out to balance your life in the month of September, and this balance will help you to go towards your destiny in the month of September. I see that relationship card coming for you. I'm master at setting boundaries that protect my time, energy, creativity, and emotional well being. I see that you are going towards your destiny, but then you need also to set your goals, so to set your boundaries when it comes to your time, energy, creativity, so that you can create that balance and you can go ahead in your life. Apart from this, let me see your love life. What is coming in your love life? September is good for your love life. You might get proposals. You might get love proposals if you're single. Taurus, I feel that you need to see what is coming in for you in the month of September. Okay, let me put this here. Okay, if there is some proposal that is good for you, please take it, because you don't show interest sometimes in your love life, or you need to show more interest because you are a very stable and very secure. With Taurus, your energy is always stable and secure, I feel. You know how to balance your home and your career, your life. You do that very well, Taurus. I do have the love card coming for you. I see that in the month of September, you have defined your love. You have said, this is the love I want, this is how I want things to be. Maybe that is the reason why you don't take any proposals. Maybe you feel this love is what I want. This is my definition of love. If I see someone with this, feeling of this kind of love which I want, I will definitely accept the proposal. But if you don't see anything, if you don't look for anything good coming to you, you're going to miss out, right? So I would say that whenever you get a proposal, okay, of love, okay, whether it is whatever, in whichever way you get, just see what it is. Okay, just talk to the person. If it's suitable for you, go ahead. If it's not suitable for you, then you don't have to go ahead. So just have this, just go after it. Just take some interest in your love life in the month of September. The relationship card again gives me, I honor and protect my sensitivity. I see that you are a sensitive soul. Taurus people, they are also sensitive. It's not just that the water signs are, but all sun signs, moon sign people are sensitive, and so is Taurus. Yes, you might protect your sensitivity. Maybe you've been hurt before, but then still there are good things coming for you in the month of September. Just have a look. Maybe it is something that you might want to proceed further, even if you have a definition of love in your mind. In your career, Taurus, I see the card of the Queen of Pentacles. Now, this is a very good card in terms of finances. Now, the Queen of Pentacle is usually, it's a queen, right? So you might be a male, but you might have her energy. She is very good with her life, with her money, with her finances, with her career, as well as she can manage her home and her career. Or she can be somebody who's helping you right now in your career and finance. She can be supportive. She can be there for you. She can give you good advice. Maybe somebody you might take advice from her. In your career, I feel that in the month of September there are new beginnings coming for you, something very positive, coming, the sun card coming. So new beginnings for you, everything is going to be so good. And in your work, I see that your career is bursting with opportunities to express my creativity and passion. I see that In your career also, you do feel that you can go ahead. You're getting a lot of opportunities in the month of September. The Sun card again is very positive. If you want to begin something, it's very positive. And definitely you have the Queen of Pentacles energy. So overall, very nice month for you. Now, this year we are concentrating so much on our health, and let us see the health card also. I see the the ten of cups coming for you. I do apologize. This is a card where you are maybe in a family setup, or you have this energy, a very loving energy. You want to commit, you want to go ahead in your personal life. However, your energy and you have good feelings about everything, about your emotional life, and this energy is good for health. So I would say that it's a very good, if you keep this energy in your life, whether you are single, committed, or married, it's a very positive energy. You also have the thinking woman card. Okay, a thinking woman is definitely a woman who is analyzing her life, who thinks about what she should do next in her life. Maybe in the health situation, she's thinking about her health, how she can better her health. If you are not a female, it can be somebody who can advise you with your health if you're not keeping well. Or you can have this energy irrespective of your gender. You can have a thinking energy about your health. Okay. Or you can always read, think she's got a book in her hand. Maybe you can read some things, you can try out some things about how to increase your immunity and things like that, especially in today's you know scenario. Your emotional health, I see that I'm transparent. What you see is what you get. I love that about myself. You are going to be, you have this quality of telling what it is, what you want. You are quite transparent. You don't hide things, which is a very good thing, Taurus. Um in your health also, I would say don't hide anything. If you're not feeling 100%, tell. If your immunity is not good, do something about it. Okay, exercise. Maybe there are immunity things that you can do, especially in this year 2020. So don't hide things. Don't, because you are transparent in whatever you see, whatever you, it's all transparent. So you need to be transparent even in that. Okay, emotionally well off. Thinking, don't think too much, but then do things that will help you in your to get you ahead in life. And be transparent about your health. If you're facing some kind of health issue, go for a checkup. There is no need to hide anything, because that will not help you. So overall, Taurus, Rishabh Rashi, I see that you're doing well in the month of September. I hope you do well. If you've benefited from this, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. You can always leave a comment, and I do give personal readings. So till then, take care of yourself in the month of September. Thank you so much.